Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you and I hope you all are safe. Maybe excited for my class, so I am here to teach you SST Standard 1 Chapter 19 and the chapter name is Air. So in this chapter we will see about the air, that it is present in everywhere, about the air. But before starting the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members. You can enjoy like playing the ludos, carom, video games. You can enjoy playing like you can enjoy the time with family members. You can complete your holiday homework which the work is pending. You can complete the project work also, because these marks will add in your term 1 exam. In fact, you can complete your homework also which you received on online classes, because once the school will open, I just want all the homework because I have all the records. So it's better that you can complete it. You have a lots of time, so please use the time. Please use and please complete it. And because we know that we are in very pandemic situations like pandemic virus like COVID-19, because of these virus we can die also. So it's better that we can complete. And it's a short chapter. I hope that it will finish today only in these two videos, lecture 1 and lecture 2. So in lecture number 2, please take out the pencil. In lecture number 2, I will give you the exercise. So till chapter 18 you have completed. Then chapter 19, the new words and then objective types that I will told you, and you have to complete it in your fair copy. Please write down it in fair copy, in good handwriting, legible handwriting, and use dark pencil. You have lots of time, so please use the time and stay happy at home, and please save at home. And I might guess that you guys have completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home. Whenever you are going to eat your meals, then please wash your hand properly so that the germs will kill and it will not present inside your bodies, and you will be safe from the COVID-19. And if you don't have the book, then please purchase it as soon as possible. So I am just reading the book, you also read with me. So the chapter is about the air. I think in standard UKG you have learned about the air in short phase, but I am here to teach you like the air. So we will know about the more information about the air in this class. And whatever the chapter I am explaining you, I am reading after finishing the online class. Once again you can go to the chapter and please read your book so that your reading skill will improve and it will help you also. So let's start. What goes in when you sniff? Means when you are sniffing, then what goes inside you? What moves when you switch on the fan? Suppose when it's the summer times, when you switch on the fan, then what moves? Suppose I'm sitting in in under the fan, and suppose I'm just open the fan, and what I feel? So you feel the air. You feel the air. So it is air that when the switch is on, that the air, so that we feel cool and warm. So that is what, that is air. It is air. Air is all around us. Yes, please keep in your mind that air, it is present all around us. In fact, here also, here in every place air is present. So air is all around us. We cannot see air exactly. It's not a thing. It's a air, and we can't see the air. We can't see the air, that yes, it is present here in left side, in our right side. But we can't see, but we can feel. We can't see the air, but we can feel the air. So it's written in your next line that we can only feel it. We cannot see the air. We cannot see the air from our eyes, but we can feel. Yes, suppose when you are sitting in front of the fan or AC, then the cool air will comes, and then you feel that yes, it's like air. So air is what, please keep in your mind that it is present all around us. Air is present all around us. We cannot see air. Please just keep inside your mind that it is always present around us. We cannot see the air. We cannot see air. we can only feel, we can just feel only the air. Next is, we need air to live. Exactly, like air is what, it is very important part in our life. Without air we can't live, so we need air to live. We need air to live, and air is very important part. All living things need air to live. So whatever the living things is there, the plants, the animals, the people, the all living things, they need air to live. Whatever we are taking breath or releasing, the everything, for that what all the living things need air to live. So here are some pictures we can go through, and we can see that how air is very important in our life, in fact in our daily life also. So in first picture you can see that one girl is there, she is taking the breath, means air helps us to breathe. So what air is what, it is always present around us, and when we are taking a breath, suppose when we are taking breath, it means what, that air help us, because air is all around us and we can't see the air. So what, air helps us to breathe. So for all living things air is very important, because with the help of air we just taking the breath, means we just live also. So with the help of air we can take the breath also. Next, second picture, air helps us to feel wind. So air what, it helps us to feel wind also. You can see that one boy is standing in front of the fan and table fan, and then he just what, he just feeling the cold, means what, that air is what, air helps us to feel wind. That what, when we are open the fan, then we can feel the air, like that in second picture also, that one we can feel the wind also. Next, air makes us feel cold or hot. Air is what, it makes us feel cold and hot. Like suppose in summer season, if when we are open the fan, then after sometimes we feel warm and cool. Then after if we sit in front of the AC room, or if we sit in the AC room, then we can feel cold. So with the help of air conditioner, AC is what, it's the full form of air conditioner. Means air conditioner means the AC is there, it means the air is there, it is present, and it helps us to feel cold or hot. So air is what, with the help of air we can feel cold or hot also. So just see that air helps us in many ways. Like suppose air helps us to breathe also, air helps us to feel wind also, and air makes us to feel hot or cold also. Next, in fourth picture, air helps us to smell things. Suppose when we are crossing the road, if the garbage is there and something is bad smelling, and cow dungs are there, so that air is what, it with the help of air, it mix in the air, all the bad smell, it mix into the air, and through the airs, because we are just taking the breath in form of the air, then we are just taking the smell also, that yes, it's the bad smell or it's a good smell, pleasant smell. So air is what, it helps us to smell things also. In this picture, see one boy is there and he's standing in front of the garbage, and with the help of air, all the bad smell it present into the air, and through the air we are smelling, means we are just taking the breath, so it comes and we can feel yes, it's a smell bad. So what, with the help of air we can smell things also. Next is, air helps a bird to fly. So suppose the birds and whose the animals is flying birds, like the crow, parrot, and all animals, all the birds who fly, air helps us to what, air helps us to fly. Like hot balloons are there, with the help of air it's flying. Then many more are there. So with the help of air, the birds are also used to fly, and it helps us to fly. So air is what, it is helpful for all living things, like the animals, in fact for the birds also, for the human beings also. Next is, air gives shape to things. Exactly. Now you will say that, ma'am, how it will give the shape to things? Now you can see that that last picture, 6 number, that one boy is what, he just taking one balloon, air balloon in his hand. It means what, that air gives shape of things. Suppose you can take one balloon, that it is not filled with air, then what you can take that balloon and after that you can fill the air inside it. It means what, that the air is taking the shape of the balloon. So we have filled that balloons with the air. So air is what, it is taking the shape of the things. Now the next lines I will explain in the lecture number 2. So please guys watch the lecture number 2. Till that, thank you and have a nice day.